Yo, what's up guys? We are back with a kayak video, and this is a new spot guys. My brother is over there, right about there. He is fishing already guys. But yeah, this is a new spot guys. Came to check it out. They told me about the spot at the local taco shop, man. I gotta give the guy some credit. But yeah, we're gonna try to fish it. I noticed there is a lot of grass guys, you see. I told my brother, let's start fishing in the grass line, and usually that's where the bass like to chill, man. Especially right now, we heard a lot of pops, man. But I was trying to get some good footage for y'all with the drone, obviously, that y'all saw at the beginning of the clips. So yeah, man, we are gonna try to fish these little pockets, man. I don't know if you can see these grass pockets. We're gonna fish that with some frogs and some topwaters, and then we're gonna do some Texas rig stuff right now. It is about like 9 guys, man. Hopefully we could catch something here, man, because this spot looks like the juice, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's a juicy spot guys. So yeah, let's get to this guys. Wish me luck. All right guys, here's my brother. Caught up to him. Say what's up to the fam, bro.
What's up, man?
Oh, I'm getting in this line. I'm getting in this line. My bad, bro. All right guys, we're gonna tie on right now. I have the popper right now. I'm gonna tie on to a frog guys. So I want to let my brother fish this spot, and I'm gonna go that way, Rick. I'm gonna let him fish this pocket guys, and I want to go to a little bit over there, man. There's more grass line. I'm gonna go to that spot. Hopefully I could catch him over there, man. Like I said, it is a new spot. I still gotta get familiar with the spot guys. It's the first time fishing here. So yeah guys, y'all wish me luck, man. Hopefully we could catch a big in here, man. It looks juicy. It looks super juicy guys. Wish me luck. Guys, he missed it. He literally sucked that in, but he missed it. Got one, guys. Yes, sir. Look at that, guys. We freaking going. I catch it by that tree, and I threw this little. Look at that, guys. I threw this little minnow. My brother gave me this, you know, credit to my brother. So technically it's my brother's fish because he gave me this little lure. It's like a little minnow. I like, man, let me try it out. They were biting, man. First one of the day. Freaking excited, man. You know, I'm just gonna weigh this one for y'all just to let y'all know how much it weighs. It's about 1 pound 5 ounces, guys. This is how much this bass weighs right here. First one of the day. Nice one, guys. Freaking excited. Let's get him. Okay, now we're gonna just let it go. I'll have to chunk it because there's grass. Yeah. DJI Mac. My brother's way over there. I wanna go spy on him real quick. See y'all on the drone right now. Guys, another one. Guys. Yo, guys, I cannot make this up. Second one of the day, little dinker, bro. Alright guys, I'm throwing this little minnow my brother gave me. Like I said, it's a small little minnow. It's like a straight up minnow. It has a weight in there. Throwing on my spinning combo because it's super light, man. Hey, but that's the second fish. I called my brother, but he doesn't answer, so he could tie it on. Man, let's see if we can keep catching him with this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, another one. Bro, this bait, guys. I swear, guys. This bait is killing it. I gotta call my brother. Bro, third fish on my third cast. I'm guessing I know what they want, guys. I'm freaking pumped. Look, guys. That little minnow, man, my brother gave me. Look at that. It's a girthy one, man. Nice bass right here. Alright, guys. This one is 1 pound, 11 ounces, guys. Dude, the biggest one of the day, guys, is right here. Nice one, man. Nice one, guys. Freaking stoked. But look, it's so nice. I love the colors, bro. Look at the colors, guys. Amazing color, guys. 1 pound, 11 ounces, guys. Let's get him. Let's throw it back. Hey, let's get it, baby. Let's get it rolling. I can see it's raining, but my brother can give you a little update so far. What's up, bro?
Right now, I haven't caught shit, but my brother caught about, what, 3?
I think 3, I believe
on
so.
A little minnow type looking
yeah.
Finesse.
He actually gave me that. So
bait. It's kind of rainy right now, but man, it's been tough for me. I haven't caught shit.
Hey, let the fan know what you're tying on right now.
Right now, I'm tying on this spinner bait right here.
Look at that shit.
With the swimming bait.
Get it. Do a zoom into for them.
Look at that. This is the hookup I got.
Damn, good.
I'm gonna tie a nail knot to secure it real good. It's a little tool I bought at the Academies, or what was it?
Yeah, I think Academies.
A Bass Pro Shop, one of those.
Yeah, he's gonna do that. But look, guys, I don't know if I can release the tail. It's kind of rainy. We're still gonna be out here because it hasn't thundered. Once it's thundered, we're gonna totally get off because we do not want to get shocked by lightning.
Hopefully they bite this spinner bait.
I'm pretty sure they will, but we're gonna try to fish as cloudy, man. So we might do some top water right now, and maybe I'm gonna probably tie on he's doing that. I'll probably do a chatterbait, guys, something a little bit different. See, hopefully we could get a moving bait because it's pretty fresh right now.
It looks kind of juicy, man, I think.
Look at that. That's juicy, guys. All right, guys. Hey, bro. Good luck, bro. Yeah. Here you go. Yo, what's up, family? I saw that we made it home safe and
we're back home. We made it safe. We got rained out. But we see you on the next fishing vlog.